Hi Hornet family, this is Mrs. Poindexter, your media coordinator, aka librarian. We wanted to update you on a few things that are happening at the school with virtual learning beginning on Monday. First thing we'd like to make sure that you're aware of is many of your teachers will be contacting you through Remind and Dojo. They may be sending you videos for you to watch, so make sure you have joined their Remind and Dojo groups. The second thing that we wanted to let you know is that many teachers are trying out different ways to record videos, just as this one, to get to you. So you're actually going to find they may send videos through Dojo or Remind, or maybe even send you a link. So be sure to check those links out. Many of your teachers are posting them to YouTube. So kiddos, your teachers have become YouTubers. Imagine that in a short length of time this week. Some teachers are also going to try Google Classroom, so they'll be joining, the kids will need to join the Google Classroom. Music and art are even trying this avenue. So to do that, you need to have a Gmail account. So just a reminder, all students who join our school have a Gmail account. If you're unsure how to get your child logged into their Gmail account, please check with their teacher. I don't want to tell it here because then it would be out in YouTube land, and we don't want that to keep our kids safe. Some teachers may also try Google Hangout. Google Hangout is a way for the teachers to interact with the students so that they can actually see their students and students can ask teachers questions in real time. To do that, you just need a Google Chrome browser, the Chrome browser on any device, and an email account. It does not have to be a Gmail account, just an email address. So be willing to try these new avenues as we try them out. Some teachers have created a closed Facebook group that you may want to join for their classroom and will be streaming live videos via Facebook. Mentioning Facebook, our first avenue of communication with you guys is going to be Facebook. So if you're on Facebook, please follow the school and make sure that you're keeping up. We're putting things out there daily to keep you up to date. We will be updating our website as well, but it is not in real time, so it may be a little delay in getting the information out on our website. We hope you're all doing well and that you're staying healthy and that you're following the guidelines and staying home. We do encourage you to work with your students as you can to complete the information sent home, but do remember that we understand there was a lot of work sent home and it's to be done over a long period of time. So pace yourselves, kids and parents. We're here to support you. You can contact your teachers via email, Remind, Dojo, and I'm also available if you need it. Don't forget, the county also has the helpline that you are welcome to call. It is open from 8 to 6 p.m. every day. You're welcome to give that a call, and that number is 336-551-1168.